Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright. Okay. Four of Cups, this is your current energy. Five, oh my god, what is happening in your life, Capricorn? Both of you are looking on the same page. So if I talk about your current energy, we have Four of Cups. You are being regretful, or perhaps you are not paying attention to certain signs, certain signals in your life. Okay, you have closed your eyes, you are not allowing yourself to see what's coming into your life, what the next chapter of your life is holding for you. Divine is offering you something, and it is something which is going to fill your heart with full of love and emotion and joy. But you being busy in your own energies, you being busy in your own state of mind, or perhaps you are deliberately ignoring these signs. Something is there which is approaching in your life, and it's coming, it's keep on coming, keep on coming. But you being stuck in your own head, you are not able to see what's coming in your life. Rest assured, this is something which Divine has planned for you, which is something Divine is offering you right now. And I think you need to be a little attentive in your life. Okay, this could be a new love relationship, new love offer, new relationship, new person must be coming into your life, some kind of a new proposal, new offer, new job offers. It could be anything. It could be anything. So please open your eyes and look around you what Divine is offering you. Okay. On the other hand, we have Five of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy, Capricorn. Your partner is stabbed back by their own people. Okay. They have left them in cold. They have, just asked them to leave from their own premises. Okay. And yeah, this person is very, very alone right now. This person is very aloof. This person must be going through very tough time in their life. All they have is their good karmas or bad karmas. Apart from that, they have nothing. They are depressed, sad, alone, completely alone. I don't know why this is happening. Let's see how you see your person, how your person sees you, what actions you can take towards them, and what actions they'll be taking towards you. What you think about them, what they think about you, what actions you can take towards them, and what actions they can take towards you. Morality. So with this card, Capricorn people, you see your person as someone who always follow the predefined structures. Okay, they are stuck into their own head, they are stuck into their own moralities, they are stuck into their own moral grounds. Okay, they are still practicing all the old beliefs which do not work in today's time. Okay, so you feel that this person is someone who has closed their eyes, this person is someone who has closed their hand. Okay, they are practicing the same thing which they have been taught by their ancestors, which has been taught by their elders of the family. Okay, they have to repeat the same cycle over and over again. So that's how you see them. Now let's see what your person thinks about you. Guidance. Your person sees you as somebody who is being guided by Divine. Okay, your whole life, whenever they think about you and the whole life which you have been through so far, whenever they see you as someone that you are someone who is very, very blessed. Okay, because Divine always works for you. Okay, Divine angels always works for you. This is the reason that you are here on angels wings. Okay, this is nothing but Divine is offering you a lot of emotions. Okay, Divine is giving you the same opportunity over and over again. Okay, so yes, they see you as someone who is a very blessed person in life. Now let's see what actions you can take towards them. Letting go. it seems like just because of their this kind of attitude, the morality and the practice which they do in their regular life, this could be one of the reasons that you have started ignoring them. Okay, and you want to let it go, you want to let them go. It could happen that Capricorn, it's you who has asked them to leave, because they are someone who lives in stone age in today's world. So it could happen that you have asked them to leave, because as per you cannot practice such old patterns. So this, at this point of time, you have given them this, or you have given yourself this opportunity to let them go. Alright, now let's see what this person is going to take action towards you. Integration. Your person definitely wants to be in your life. They evidently want to be in your life because they feel that you complete them basically. Okay, so they feel that whenever you guys will come together, you can make a wonderful couple. All right, both of you have these kind of qualities which can yes, basically both of you are compatible to each other. Okay, so that's how your person's, this kind of action they would like to take towards you. Now let's see what is the future potential. What's the future potential? King of Cups. Capricorn people, this is your partner, King of Cups. Okay, because what I'm feeling or what I'm seeing in this reading, this is your person who must be keep on offering you their love and emotion, and they see that you guys are compatible to each other. That's why they want to be with you. Okay, they see you as somebody who is someone, they see you as someone who is blessed. Okay, and just because they are King of Cups, this is the only reason they are keep coming towards you. Okay, they will keep on coming towards you. They are not going to leave you at any point of time, that's for sure. Okay, because this person has genuine emotions for you. Even though if you can see, this person is sitting alone. This person is alone right now. So they are alone, but still they are thinking about you. They are alone, but still they want you in their life. Alright? Okay, so Capricorn people, in this reading we have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have sorry, earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have we have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading. Okay, so Capricorn people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.